Welcome to the prairie, otherwise known as the temperate grasslands.
Prairies are primarily made of grasses, sedges, and flowering plants. Over 100 species of plants can occur in a prairie of less than 5 acres. The major ones are the big blue stem, the little blue stem, Indian grass, and switchgrass. There are 3 main types of prairies: wet, mesic, and dry. Wet prairie is very moist and has poor drainage. Mesic prairie has perfect drainage and is neither moist nor dry. As a result, mesic prairies are frequently used for agriculture and are the most endangered kind of prairie. A vast majority of our grains come from prairies. This is because grains are a type of grass, and so the prairie's grassland is perfect for growing wheat, rye, and oat. An interesting thing to look out for when going to the prairie are pimples. No, not the pimples that show up on your face. Pimples are small hills that are scattered throughout the prairie, and they average 4 feet.
Fun fact, did you know prairie grass can grow as tall as 10 feet and averages a height of 6 to 8 feet, while their roots extend 12 feet below the surface, which means that most prairie plants are between 18 to 22 feet.
Prairies are enormous stretches of flat grassland. It is located all over the world, but if you look at North America, then it is located in South Dakota. It stretches throughout the Great Plains of North America. The 2 major areas are the prairies in North America and the grassland which straddles Europe and Asia. Did you guys know that prairies are between a forest and a desert when it comes to rainfall? Since they don't receive enough rainfall, there are failed to grow trees like a forest, but they contain lots of grass, so they receive more rain than a desert.
Animals in the prairie. You would also want to see the prairie dogs. No, they're not big and scary. This is how they look like. Prairie dogs are members of the squirrel family of rodents. They are about the same size of a rabbit and can be found in the central and western North America. Fun fact, did you know that prairie dogs have a lot of teeth? Prairie dogs have 22 teeth, and as a sign of recognition, they kiss or touch each other's teeth. There are also burrowing owls in the grassland. They live in burrows that have been dug by small mammals like prairie dogs.
The climate is influenced by its mid-continental location. As you get closer to the mountains, the area becomes more moist. East to north, it's the driest. As you move from east to west, the rainfall in the prairies decrease. Rainfall varies from year to year. The month of June, the precipitation is 70 millimeters.
When visiting the temperate grasslands in warm weather, make sure to wear sunglasses, bug repellent, sunscreen, long sleeves, and pants. This is to protect yourself from the hazards and discomfort that the tall prairie plants pose. Similar attire should be worn during cold weather, just with an extra coat, hats, gloves, and boots.